I want to thank my colleague, and it's really with a great deal of sadness that we come to the well this evening to announce or to comment, if you will, on Senator Lautenberg's passing. I really can't imagine the Congress without him. I worked on his campaign from the very first day in 1982, and he is the longest-serving member of the U.S. Senate from the state of New Jersey in our entire history. The fact of the matter is that Senator Lautenberg was always there for the little guy. Many of you know that he was a wealthy individual, but he never forgot his roots, and they were very humble roots. And he always believed that the Congress should be there for people in need, and that the American dream required that everyone had an equal opportunity, and that Congress could do things. Frank Lautenberg understood that there were a lot of problems out there, but he felt that Congress needed to work together on a bipartisan basis to solve those problems. And there's so many that I can mention and I won't, but whether it was the nation's infrastructure, mass transit, or all the environmental concerns, whether he wanted to clean up the ocean or clean the air or clean the water for the next generation. He really believed that things could get done here. And he worked hard to get things done. We know that more than anybody else he was able to accomplish a lot because of the hard work that he put into it. So I just want to thank him for all of that and for his legacy, and express sympathy obviously with Bonnie and his family. But he will be missed for what he accomplished, and also for what he told us about what our job is when we're here, to get things done and to worry about the little guy and to make sure that we were always out there working every day to make this a better country. I yield back to my colleague from